up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today is actually one of the easiest brake pad replacements I've ever done. Let me show you. On these STi brakes, the first thing you need to do is get rid of this pin right here. So you pry it out with a screwdriver. There's one down below, little pin, a really thin punch, and a hammer of some sort. I'm gonna use the bigger end right here. Pull it out by hand. The same for the bottom. This is actually, the bottom one's easy. Slide her out. Then you have this little guy. You want to pry the brake pad towards the piston to give you a little bit of room to pull it out. It's getting a little looser. Slide it out. This comes off the back. Make sure you keep this. Now let's do the other side. Alright, pull it out. Keep this little metal guy right here. Push the piston in. Before you push the pistons in with the screwdriver right here, like this, we want to open up the lid under the hood. Now that the brake pads are properly secured, we can go ahead and put this part of the bracket down below, and make sure you have the nipple looking side of this pin go through first from the back side to the out. Take the screwdriver. There we go. Now let's take our bracket and put it right here. Alright, those are both seated all the way in. You can see the little nipples sticking out right here. Now we just got to twist these if we need to put the pins back. So this one, I'm going to grab it right here and twist it up a little bit. And then stick this through. That one's good. All done. We're going to put the cap on the brake line under the hood and then pump the brakes and we should be good to go.